Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Fortnite login timed out error using a few simple and effective methods. First, check your internet connection and restart your router because unstable or slow internet is the most common cause of this issue. Next, make sure Fortnite servers are not down by checking the official server status online. If servers are fine, restart your PC or console to clear temporary network glitches. After that, log out of your Epic Games account and sign back in to refresh your session. You can also try switching to a wired connection or a different network to see if the problem is related to your connection. Then disable any VPN or proxy services, as they can interfere with server communication. If you're on PC, verify game files through the Epic Games Launcher to fix any corrupted data. Finally, update your game to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. These steps should help you fix the login timed out error and get back into Fortnite quickly. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.